You'll find the Gboard on Google Pixel, Sony Xperia, and probably other phones also. I'm not sure exactly how many phones they have this, or on how many phones you can install this. I really suggest you give it a try. Google Keyboard is really convenient, very nice, but it could have this sound. So to disable it, go to the settings. Okay, in the settings page, scroll down all the way to system. On the system here, you have languages and keyboard. Keyboard, I tap on the keyboard, and on screen keyboard, I have the Gboard. This is the Gboard for the different languages, and tap on Gboard. On the settings page for the Gboard keyboard, you go to preferences